And hello, this is a short tutorial on compressing video in Premiere for output to DVD. So first of all, you can see here we have a project. I'm going to drag this video clip down to the timeline, and I'm just going to make that a bit bigger, maybe not quite so big. And we're going to add some chapter markers and then export this to DVD. So, sequence, set encore chapter marker. There will always be one at the start. Then we have one at the this is our second chapter marker. Move the cursor along a bit. Set encore chapter marker. I'm going to put 4 chapters in here, so there'll be 1, 2, 3. This will make the 4th one. Set encore chapter marker. Now we'll go back and we'll go edit encore chapter marker. Now we're going to give these the names that we'll need for our I'm going to give some random names. You'll get the idea of how this will work, but these are going to be the names for the Leaf DVD. So this one is called Sounds. Yes. Option E. E gives us the fancy letters of sounds. Okay, and we can click OK. We can go to previous. We've gone to the one that's previous. This one's going to be called Arrival. And we'll go previous to that. This one's called Patio Row. Now we can't go. We can try and go previous, but I don't think it's going to work very well. No, it won't go because the first chapter marker is the beginning and it can't be changed or deleted or anything. Okay, so let's just check that we've got here one. So marker, go to the next encore chapter marker, edit encore chapter marker, and it's stuck. It's called Sounds. Okay, right now, File, Export, Adobe Media Encoder. Here is our video. Make that a bit smaller. Here is our video, and now we have our choices here. H.264 is for Blu-ray. We don't want that. We want MPEG-2 for DVD. We want the entire sequence. Preset. Well, we don't want NTSC medium quality. We'll choose PAL low quality for now. Now, we're not going to want to export the audio. Or I'll show you why. If we go export audio format, Dolby Digital, which is what we want for a DVD, and it wants to use the Surecode encoder. Trial usage remaining 3. Once we burn up those 3 uses, we have to fork out nearly $300 American to buy the encoder. So rather than doing that here, we'll just skip that entirely. We won't export the audio at all. Export video, video options. Okay, so we've got PAL, that's what we want. The quality here is 2. Now, it's a widescreen DVD. It's a widescreen image. It's not 4:3. Notice it doesn't know that. You have to tell it that. It's suggesting a constant bit rate. Oh, no. Let's do it. Now, this isn't really going to change very much anyway. We could use a constant bit rate. And I'd probably put that, 5. That's not a bad number. If we want to really milk this as much as we can, this will take it a lot longer to compress. So what I do is I'd leave it at variable bit rate 2 pass and then let it go all night. The difference is going to be pretty minimal. So if I was in a hurry, I would use CBR without any problems. Target bit rate 6, no. Target bit rate 4. Maximum bit rate 6. Now these are the lowest settings, near enough, 4 and 6. The lowest settings that I can use that will produce reasonable looking video, and these will play back as easy as possible with any on any system. And from there, I would click OK. I'm not actually, I may as well. I'll click OK. And what am I going to say? I'll save it to the desktop, but I'll give it a better name. What will I'll call this Belief for Encore M2V. Right, and it's going to come out as an M2V file. Save. Now, because it's only a short clip, it's motoring through that pretty fast. If this was a feature-length movie, it would take significantly longer. This is a fast machine as well. This is the second pass. Right, now we've done that. Now what I need to do is I need to get the audio out of here. File, Export, Movie, Settings. We don't want to export the video, we want to export the audio only. Here are our audio options, and we're going to use uncompressed 48 kHz 16-bit stereo. That's all fine. Okay. Belief, I'll spell it right, for Belief for Encore.move. Now this is going to produce a QuickTime movie that has only sound. It will not have any audio in it. If I export an AIFF file, there's a good chance that Encore will not import it because it will probably come out as an AIFC file, which is a slightly different format, which is the normal. The only difference is that the byte order is different, which is neither here nor there, and Mac OS X seems to like AIFC rather than AIFF. There's no real difference except that Encore doesn't like AIFC. So we'll save that one. Save. Right, and there we have it. We have now compressed our audio and our video ready to import into Encore.